Have you ever had this moment? You're brushing your teeth and glance in the mirror, and you tilt your head slightly and think, wait, when did my jawline disappear? You didn't gain weight, you didn't change your skincare, but something shifted. And here's what most women assume: I'm just getting older. But what if that's not the full story? What if your jawline didn't just sag? What if something specific changed structurally? Because jawline blurring after 40 is not one problem. It's three completely different patterns. And if you don't know which one you have, you can massage harder, buy more creams, do face yoga every day, and still feel frustrated. So today, let's break it down clearly. Type 1. Structural support loss. It's also called the foundation shift. This one is subtle at first. You may notice your temples look a little hollow. Your mid-face seems flatter. Your face looks shorter somehow. Even when you lose weight, your face doesn't look sharper. This is not fat, this is support. Think of your face like a house. If the foundation lowers even slightly, the roof doesn't collapse dramatically, it just settles downward. When structural support weakens, the jawline loses definition because the whole frame is less lifted. If this is your type, you don't look heavier, you look less projected, less lifted. Number 2, fat descent. This is the most common one I see. You may notice your smile lines deepened quickly, your cheeks sit lower than they used to. There's a fullness near the corners of your mouth. When you look down, your jawline looks heavier. Here's a key: your fat did not suddenly multiply, it shifted. In your 20s and 30s, your facial fat sits higher. It supports your curves. After 40, gravity plus weaker support allows it to migrate downward. Your face doesn't flatten, it drifts. And when it drifts, the jawline softens. Number 3, fascia tension loss. This one confuses people the most because it changes. You might look tighter after a workout, more saggy after a bad night of sleep, slightly lifted after massage, different in the morning versus at night. That fluctuation tells us something important. This isn't mainly bone, and it's not primarily fat, it's tension. Under your skin is a fascia network, like a 3D support fabric. When you are younger, it's resilient and responsive. After 40, that tension decreases. And when tension drops, your face can't hold its shape the same way. You don't look permanently different, you look inconsistent. Good days and very obvious tired days. Now, pause for a second. Which description felt like you? Most women are mixed, but one pattern usually leads. And once you identify the leader, everything becomes clear. Now, let's do a quick self-test. Don't overthink it, just try this. Number 1, the elongation test. Stand tall. Gently pull your chin back, not down. Imagine the crown of your head lifting upward. If your jawline immediately sharpens, this is posture-related support loss. Sometimes it's not sagging, it's collapse. Number 2, the cheek lift test. Place 2 fingers at your mouth corners and lift up right at under your cheekbones. Gently lift upward. Smile naturally. If your jawline suddenly looks clear, your fat has shifted downward. It doesn't need removal, it needs repositioning. Number 3, the rebound test. Slightly tap along your jawline. If your skin rebounds quickly, tension is strong. If it feels delayed or soft, fascia tension may be reduced. Tension defines edges. When tension drops, edges blur. Number 4, the 40-degree lift. Lift your head slightly, about 45 degrees. If the jawline becomes defined again, gravity is your main driver. And this is highly trainable. Here's what I want you to hear. You're not just aging. Your face is responding to structural changes. And the structure can be trained. It's not about pushing harder. It's not about aggressive massage. It's not about chasing trends. It's about direction, the right structure, the right sequence, and the right training. If this helped you see your face differently, tell me in the comments which type you think you are. If you haven't done the self-assessment, click the link below in the comments. Assess before you train. Stay tuned. In the next videos, I will show you exactly how to train each one safely and effectively. Because once you understand the structure, you stop fighting your face and you start rebuilding it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.